Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy BlueByFX, and it's been a while we've been here. So this morning we actually took a trade from the Boom 1000, and we're actually in profit right now. So I'm going to show you reasons why we took this trade. I'm going to share it with you. So please, if you haven't subscribed, or if this is your first time on this channel, please do well to subscribe, like the video, share it to your friends, and also make sure you listen to every bit of it. It's going to be a short video, but it's going to be very educative. So this morning we gave out this signal to the VIP, and of course we have already some days. Is it yesterday we hit TP on the crash 300, and this morning I saw the 1000 at resistance level. So I now told my people, let's be patient a bit, then we'll go in for the trade. So that's when I gave out the signal to sell the B1000 and to buy the crash 300, and we are in massive profit. You won't believe it. And someone just shared his profit with me. I think he just joined yesterday. No, not
If you can
here.
please add extra 1K.
Here. And imagine this. He has the mind to use 30 lot size, man. I'm so surprised. And he has made $428. Wow. That's a lot. So you see, he just joined yesterday and he's already on $400 profit. That's massive. That's very massive. So now let's go to the chart. I'm going to be starting with the daily time frame. As you all know, I love using the higher time frame. And as I always say, make sure you start from the higher time frame. Make sure you start from the higher time frame. So, and it's on the lower time frame you actually get your entries. So this is the daily, and you've seen that we have we've seen that we have a resistance around this region. So why I told, oh wow, the network is out, but that doesn't stop us from continuing. I just want to show you guys something. So why I told them to be patient a bit was because I wanted to watch out if spikes will still come up to this level, at least to this level, before rejecting. But while we were waiting, we didn't see that happening, but rather we were able to spot a rejection, okay, a rejection from that level, which now prompted me to give it to them for a sell. So you've seen that on the higher time frame, being the daily time frame or 24-hour time frame, we spotted a resistance, and that was around 8 to 9, around 9 a.m., which was going to give room for the new candle, 1 hour 4-hour candle to open. That's when I now said, yeah, this is the right time to get into it, because the rejection on the 1 hour also gave us an entry. If you check this, there was a rejection here, and we had to jump in on it on the next time frame. So as I said, always note, start from the higher time frame to spot your resistance. You know, a lot of people go into the boom and crash just to catch spikes. Well, you can catch spikes and you can also sell. This market is a two-way market. It's either you're buying or you're selling. It doesn't necessarily mean that when you're trading boom, you have to be catching spikes, the boom spikes, and when you're trading crash, you have to be catching spikes on the crash. You can actually buy, which is called scalping, and you can also sell on the boom. So here, when we spotted our resistance, you've seen that this has been a resistance at this point. This is like last month, and it took a long time for market to get back to this level. You see, after getting to this level the last time, it sold down here. That was around 30th of last month. Then it started buying up again. So it has taken at least, let's say, close to 9 to 10 days for it to get back to this level. That's why sometimes you have to wait for the right setup. The right setup is always very important. You have to wait for it. You don't have to rush the market. You have to be calm and wait for it. But now, what did you see? Some people will see, let's say on the higher time frame, let's say on the 1 hour, this is an uptrend, yeah? Maybe you're just using the 1 hour without looking at other time frames. What do you see here? You see an uptrend, right? But now what happens? You might want to go in to buy because, oh, the market is going up, let me buy, let me catch spikes. No, you have to look at other time frames, especially the higher time frame. Be sure to know where the resistance is, where your support is. But at this point, we saw, yeah, it's an uptrend, but we saw that there is a resistance. there is a resistance. That's why trading with price action takes away the noise from the market. Once the noise is off the market, you can actually detect strong zones where you can either buy or sell from. So now this market is pulling down, and we expect it to sell at least to this level where we are going to take our TP1. Then we wait to see if it's going to respect this trend line, which is an uptrend. Let's not invalidate the uptrend, but let's also look at the point I'm making here. The point I'm making here is that we have gotten to a resistance level, and that was a clear setup to get into the market. So this also works on crash, it works on boom. Let's go to, maybe I love using the crash 300 a lot. So we are able to make profits from the crash 300, but I'm still holding my positions. Of course, I told the VIPs to secure. Okay, I told them to secure when necessary, because I was actually really sure of the boom 1000, but as for the crash 300, I just saw it at this point. Now, why did I get into the crash 300 for a buy? Let's go to the H4. At this point where I got in from, we had a resistance at a support rather at this level. So there was a time frame excuse me, 1 hour time frame that showed that there is a support at this level. So this support is why I expect market to buy. Of course, it bought, gave us profit. I told him to cash some money out, but I'm still holding because I expect market to still go back up, at least buy up to a certain level. Now, looking at this is the daily time frame. The previous daily candle is very strong and bullish, but now it got to this level, which is a resistance, and has decided to be coming down. But now, also looking at this, you see that there's a little support at a certain level where this candlestick, now look at this. Let me zoom this in. There is a wick here. These wicks here is actually where I expect to take. If at all it doesn't go my way, I close out at this level, but I expect it to still keep buying. This daily time frame, we still have a lot of hours before this candle will close. So I expect it to buy, break, and get at least to this level. Let's not forget as well that this has been an uptrend and market has been ranging at a point. Look at it here. I've been following up the market for a long time. This is the weekly candlestick, and you've seen that it's still on the uptrend level. So you won't also ignore that. But remember, when you are scalping, you just look out for profit and move. But when you see a clear setup as we have seen on the boom 1000, you will know that this is a perfect market, because that resistance is very clear. Even on the weekly time frame, you can see that it's showing that there is a resistance there, but it's also very clearer on the H4, on the 4-hour candlestick. So whenever you want to trade, listen to this. These are the things you have to take home from this. You have to learn from this video. First of all, you go on the higher time frame to determine your strong levels, support and resistance zones. Once you've gotten that, and maybe market has not gotten to that level yet, what do? You have to wait. That's what we call setup. You have to wait for the market to hit that zone. Then you can now say, okay, I'm going to sell. Like now, all the buyers, let me tell you something now. Let's say, assuming we have 10 traders on the boom 1000. 5 are buying at the moment. We're buying before now. Everyone is looking to take their profit from this level. Everyone. In fact, let's say 90% of the buying traders are looking to take their profit around this level, because they also expect market to fall from here. So once they've gotten there, the 5 of them take out their profit, leaving no buyer. Now the sellers now have a stronger hand more than the buyer, just like a tug of war, whereby we have 5 on this side, 5 on this side. But by the time we have taken maybe four buying traders, which have taken their profit out and now gone into a sell, we now have about 8 to 9 sellers on this other part dragging the market down. So that is simply what's happening here. So, well, if you want to learn more about Forex, just check the description of this video. You'll find the link to my Telegram channel. It's free to join. And if you want to join the VIP, check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to my WhatsApp. You can message me directly there. You can join the VIP. The mentorship class is also running. Of course, let me show you this. I also share videos to my VIPs. Where are they? I think we on a former class, we were able to at least get some videos. Yes, I saved the videos and I send them to my students. Yeah, it is. So guys, make sure you join the class and you won't regret. And if you can't be trading on your own, maybe you're too busy, we have the account management running, hit me up. I'm going to be there for you to help you. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. Make sure you use the higher time frame, and it's the lower time frame we use to gain entry. Is the lower time frame that you are expected to use to gain entry. So it was after this spike and this started coming down, we now said, okay, fine, let's get into this trade and let's make some money. So guys, hit me up and you won't regret. Thanks for watching this video, but I'm going to be bringing you an indicator video maybe on the next video, so that you can also use that to gauge yourself. But make sure while using the indicator, use your demo. Have an edge over the market before you try this with your real account. So guys, if you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to this channel, like the video, share it to your friends, join the free Telegram channel. It's free. Link is on the description of this video, as I said earlier, and you would love it with us. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure to stay in profit. Don't let greed take you out of the market. See y'all.